All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I am back with Rodriguez of Handl Defense, and he's going to show us some, well, rather interesting parts here for the GLOCK. And what are we looking at?
So we're going to start with the Haley Strategic Th1rte3n series line of sights. Essentially, long story short, what it's going to be is that these sights were designed to take into consideration the human saccadic eye movement. Essentially, when the eye saccades, it's looking at something, it's actually detailing and mapping out what it is that it's looking at as it's doing it. These sights were designed to simplify some of that movement, give you faster sight and target acquisition in a number of different environments.
Right, and so the way they're shaped is sort of like a pyramidic type shape and that kind of thing, and angled.
So what we wanted to do is we wanted to follow the lines of the pistol. If you can see the back here, it kind of blends the corners and try to follow the overall contour of the frame. You'll see it really well with the SIG set of sights here. It follows the frame, the contour of that frame on the top there, and basically blends all those lines and make the effort of looking at the rear of those sights a little easier on the eye.
Right, so the goal being a faster sight picture.
Exactly. That's why you're not going to see big, heavy colors in the front that are going to distract the eye from what you're trying to do at that point in time.
Gotcha. And you also have a trigger here on this.
Correct. So on this, actually that's on the GLOCK here. So what you're looking at is on the 13 trigger. So essentially what you're going to see, and this is actually a better representation here in the 43. So what you're going to see is weapons clear. What you're going to see is a very clean wall. Very pronounced wall, and then just a clean break. What we want to try to do is we want to try to eliminate all the excess movement that the person might actually put into it that would pull that shot. The other side of it is that if you take a look, the shoe is actually fairly wide. What we want to do is we want to prevent that finger from rolling left to right that would also pull that shot.
Gotcha. All right, so pull it one more time.
So let me do with the left here. So you have a very pronounced wall, comes right up to that wall, and just a clean break.
Gotcha. All right, thank you. And that is called, is there a name for that trigger? Or?
So this will be the 13 trigger, and these are also the 13 sights. You'll find it for the 17, the 19, a lot of the mid-size frames, and in the 43 as well. So and the sights will also work on the 42.
Thank you, Aaron. Really appreciate it. All right, Handl Defense at Sophic 2017, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.